At the God's sleeping, Governor Wike challenges herbalists in a community in a state where residents are obstructing a road project.
You are crying that Ozochi does not have a road. No road linking them. And government has come to do the road, to link your community. Instead of you to come out and own the project, you allow us again to begin to kidnap the workers, to sabotage our own development. What kind of system is this? Sabotaging your own growth. And you, those of you who are set traditional, you talk to the gods of the land. What are the gods doing? What are the gods doing? You know only the gods when you want to go and shout chicken and this thing. Why not tell the gods? Call them. What are you sleeping? Are you not seeing this and that is happening? Every day, you go and pour libation. You pour libation. Tell the gods to wake up. Oh. Tell them. If they don't wake up, I'll go and put those where you people put all those things. They have to wake up. Look at what is going on. Nobody's saying anything. Every day. And this. You go and pour libation. Tell them. There's a bear lobo. Tell your gods to wake up. Oh. If not, I'll go there and flog them. Oh. So go and wake up. You know, challenge the gods. Tell them, if you are the gods of America, why would you allow this thing to happen? Challenge them. That's why when you have problem, you call the creator and say, if you are the creator, show me now that you are creator, you see whether you won't come down. You two who's worshiping those white thing, challenge them. Not when you come and present Kola, he tells me in every land, the God said this. Tell the God they shouldn't be saying anything. They should go and stop those things that those boys are doing. That's the only thing I will know, that the gods are there. Not when you are presenting Kola. In every land, Kola says this. In every land, bitter Kola is this. In every land, alligator pepper is this. It means this. Show it in action.